Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $2.25 trillion. We're down 8.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.9%. Looking at the overall markets, we are still seeing a lot of red across the board, and that is to be expected as we did see a flash crash happen in Bitcoin yesterday, which did take the entire markets down with it. But if we're zooming out, guys, and looking at the bigger picture, everything is looking very, very bullish, and I believe the markets will recover very, very fast in the next, coming weeks. But if you guys want to watch my video as to why this happened, go watch my latest video. I made, an emergency video just yesterday for you guys. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Cardano. Alright guys, if we're looking at Cardano's price right now, Cardano is currently trading at $1.91. It's up 9.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 21.5% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 4th spot. Market cap right now is $61 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is $14 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for Cardano, in just the last year alone, we are up 3,700%. And in just the last 14 days, we're up 43%. So now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, the entire market is, bleeding right now. What is causing Cardano to be up so much? So shall we jump in and see what's causing that? So let's jump into it. So this was posted by Forbes. And so in a Thursday morning note, investing.com senior analyst Jesse Cohen noted that Musk said he would look for Bitcoin alternatives that consume less than 1% of its energy per transaction and pointed to Cardano's ADA and Ripple's XRP as two cryptocurrencies with more sustainable environmental cost than Bitcoin thanks to their less intensive mining and transaction networks. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, also an Ethereum co-founder, if you guys did not know, responded to Musk's Thursday tweet, are we finally going to have the Cardano conversation? Question mark. Come to my farm, got a sweet tea and mini donkeys. Thanks to a more energy efficient mechanism to verify transactions, Hoskinson has claimed Cardano uses just 6 gigawatt hours of energy annually, not even 0.01% of the 115.85 terawatt hours Bitcoin is estimated to use. So very, very interesting. Let's jump into the charts. But before charts, this is very, very interesting, guys. So if you guys don't know, yesterday Elon Musk came out and tweeted that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a payment method, which created a lot of panic across the board. But I understand as to why Elon Musk would do that, and I believe that's a smart thing to do. Now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, why do you think that's smart? So if you guys don't know, Elon Musk company Tesla specializes in solar energy and electric cars. So mining Bitcoin, that is not good for the environment. So it's good that he pulled the plug off that, because it does not look good on his company, which specializes in environmental friendly things. And if they're accepting Bitcoin, it's not a good image. So I understand as to why he did that. But he did say, I will be looking into other currencies that we can start accepting as a payment method, because he does believe in the cryptocurrencies future. A lot of people are tying Cardano and XRP to this, and people are believing that these two currencies, one of them could be the next one up, and a lot of people are getting excited that Tesla might come and accept Cardano. And if that happened, guys, if that announcement were to be made, I do not even want to think what is going to happen with Cardano. It's going to go insane. and that's what's causing Cardano to skyrocket right now. We almost touched my price target today, which is $2 that I have been saying we will reach, and we almost touched that. We touched today at $1.95, and I would not be surprised if in the next hour or like in the next 24 hours we do break past 24 hours, as a lot of hype is building around Cardano right now, and a lot of people are speculating as thinking that Cardano actually might be the next currency and the Bitcoin alternative that Tesla might add into their company as a payment method. If that happened, guys, I do not even want to know what is going to happen with Cardano's price. So if you guys don't know, Cardano yesterday had a price pullback. Obviously, Bitcoin went down after this announcement was made. There was a panic across the board, and we went down initially from $57,000 to $53,000. But this is where the whales came in. They know there's already so much panic across the board, and what are they gonna do? They're gonna create more panic and shake out the weak hands, and that's exactly what we saw happen. Some big accounts dumped their Bitcoin onto the market, causing a bigger crash to occur. Bitcoin fell 20% in one single day yesterday, but we were bought back up very quickly. So what happens when Bitcoin falls? As I say every single day in all my videos, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the cryptocurrency markets. If it were to go down, the entire market goes down with it. So Bitcoin went down, the entire markets fell. And look at what happened to Cardano, guys. So Cardano went all the way down. So we were at like $1.85. We went all the way down to this $1.50 range. We fell roughly 20%, but bought back up very, very quickly. So this goes to show, guys, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow, and you guys do not want to be shaken out during these type of pullbacks, because they're for a short term. They're not for the long term, and we do get bought back up very quickly, and that's exactly what happened. And we were bought back up, and since then we are up 30%. But this is obviously due to the fact that the speculation is going on that Cardano might be the next currency for Tesla. So that is playing a huge part in the price of Cardano right now as well. But what I really liked was that this level of support did play out as a major support, and I've been saying that for the last couple of videos that this is a strong level of support for Cardano now, because as you guys may know, we had been, this had been our biggest resistance for the longest time. We finally broke out just a couple of days ago, but now this resistance will play a major support level for Cardano. So, that's exactly what I expected, and we bounced back up right from there. We didn't even touch it. We just bounced back up like before we even came out and touched this line. So everything is looking extremely bullish for Cardano. $2 is still my price target. But I would not be surprised if we pass $2 now, because the Tesla hype is, priced in right now, and a lot of people are looking into Cardano and FOMOing into it. If Cardano does not become the Tesla payment method, then we could expect, a price pullback to occur 100%. But long term, you guys know my stance. If Cardano were to get accepted as a payment method for Tesla, guys, oh my goodness, sky is the limit. We will see a massive rally occur. I am very confident about that. But let's bring out the fib tool right now to see where we could be falling if we were to see as you guys may know, I always say we could see we always have to keep the bearish scenario in mind as well. So let's say the bearish scenario were to play out, let's say some big Cardano holders tend to take profits, then yes, we can go down as well. But I do not see us falling below this $1.50 level at all, unless Bitcoin fell 40%. Then definitely we will be seeing some crazy lows, and I could see us go back down to $1. But I do not see that happening right now at all. And we are just, guys, we are just 3% away from $2. Absolutely insane, guys. And this goes to show patience is key. You have to have patience in crypto markets. Nothing goes up straight forever. Eventually the time does come, and your patience does get rewarded. So the entire Cardano community's patience is being rewarded, and I congratulate you. And I really do hope that we do get become the other the Bitcoin alternative currency, and that would be absolutely insane. aside from becoming either the if we become the Tesla's payment method or not, you guys know Cardano is going to change the future for cryptocurrency. I have been saying this over and over again. Alonzo hard fork is coming out. That is also creating a lot of excitement building up, and how Cardano is expanding to Africa. That is another bullish thing. That goes to show blockchain is the future, guys. And if we go on staking rewards, look at this, guys. $43.2 billion is being staked right now in Cardano. That goes to show the level of interest that is really coming in for Cardano. And it's like, it is the future, guys, and I'm very confident about that. And I would not be surprised, as you guys may know, I have been saying this for a long time. I would not be surprised if in the next 3 to 5 years Cardano really does take over Ethereum. And I believe Cardano is so much superior than Ethereum if we compare the tech to one another, and that's why we are seeing so much interest coming into play. And now we're seeing a perfect example play out. There's so much staked value right now. That means there's less coins on the exchanges. So supply and demand rule kicks in. And if the buying pressure is really high, so the demand is really high, the supply is low, meaning less coins on the exchange, what happens to the price, guys? It's going to go absolutely insane. So very, very exciting times ahead for Cardano, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you could see Cardano being accepted as a payment method for Tesla. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know where you could see Cardano trading at the end of May. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And also to all my supporters, all the Crypto ZX supporters, guys, I created merch for you guys, and a lot of people were requesting the due diligence merch. So if you guys want to support the channel, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can go purchase it. That would mean the world to me if you guys do decide to purchase it, as it does help out the channel a lot. But with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.